There's a lot of money on YouTube, guys. YouTube pays. In this video, I want to show you how much this video here with 200,000 views made for me in 4 weeks. I published it. I'm going to show you the analytics of this video and show you every single thing without holding back. Not only that, I'm going to share important tips and secrets that helped me make more money from this video than normal videos would have made for me. Heads up! I'm sharing this not to show off, but to encourage you small creators not to give up, because there's a whole lot of money waiting for you if you don't give up. So I am not only going to talk about how this worked, I'm also going to talk about what actually made this video to make more money for me than average video of this length and size would make. So if you're a small creator, whether your channel is monetized or not, and one of your reasons for being on this platform is to make money, you want to watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't skip any part, because I'll be dropping important tips and secrets that will help you a whole lot to make money from your YouTube channel. I will be dropping these important tips and secrets along the way. You want to watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't skip any part so you don't miss any of those important gists. Are you ready? Let's jump straight in. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel, we talk about making money and growing your YouTube channel. So if this is the kind of thing you will love, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump straight in. Guys, it will surprise you how much this video has generated for me in a space of 4 weeks it was published. I have my laptop here. I'm going to just look at the back end and talk about each and every one of these factors and how they contributed to this amount of money this video made for me in 4 weeks. So the first one is the overview, which is how many views the video has gotten. This video was published on 20th of December 2024, which is about 4 weeks ago. And within these 4 weeks, it has generated 200,000 views. My smartphone says 200,000 views, but my computer says 201,000 views. So let's move on to the reach. The video has gotten 2.7 million impressions, which is very, very good. And the click-through rate is 5.8%. Now, the unique views here is 147,300 unique views. What it simply means is that 143,000 people came in contact with my content for the first time through this video, which is very, very good. This is amazing. So we move on to engagement, which is about watch hour and average view duration. Now, the watch hour is 8,700 hours, which means the video has gotten 8,700 watch hours. Now, looking at the average view duration, we have 2 minutes, 35 seconds. So on average, people watch this video for 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Impressive, right? Now we move on to the audience. Audience metrics is very, very important if one of your reasons for being on this platform is to make money. The reason is because the geographic location of people who watch your videos determines how much you make. When you have people from the first world countries, US, UK, Canada, and the rest of them watch your videos, you make way more money than you would if the viewers are coming from third world countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, and the rest of them. So if your goal is to make money, you have to do something that will attract people from the first world countries. You need to think of, what can I say, what can I do, what are the kind of content that appeals to audience in this particular geographic location, so I attract them to watch my videos. One of the reasons why this video was able to make a lot of money for me is because people that watch this video, majority of them are coming from the first world countries. I'm going to show you that in a moment. So let's look at the audience. We have 17,600 returning viewers, which means 17,000 plus after they watched this video for the first time, came back for more and more of my content, which is amazing. The next one is unique viewers. So we have 147,300 unique viewers. And the subscriber count. This video has generated 5,500 subscribers in just 4 weeks. Guys, this is massive. If we scroll down here, we are going to look at gender and a couple of other important information. So the gender of people who watch this video, we have more of male. 51% people that watch this video is male, and then 48 is female. Then the age bracket is we have 25 to 34, and 35 to 44. What does this mean? I should be creating content that speak majorly to the people within this age bracket because they are actually my major target audience. So the truth is, when you speak your audience language, when you speak the way your audience understands it and enjoys it, they come back every time you drop a new content. So understanding your target audience, the age bracket, the geographic location, and the agenda is very important when it comes to creating the kind of content that appeals to them and then get them coming back over and again to your videos. So the next important metric here is watch time from subscribers. So 97% of people who watch this video did not subscribe. My God, what happened here? We have only 3% of people who watch the video subscribe to the channel. Now down to the geographic location of people who watch this video. This is actually one of the reasons that made this video generate a lot of money for me in 4 weeks. So if you look at the top geographies, we have United States with 33.3%. That is massive. So if people who watch this video were more from Nigeria or African countries, I wouldn't have made the money I made from this video. And don't worry, I'm going to show you the exact amount in a moment. The next is Nigeria, 7.5%, India, 7.3%, Brazil, 2.4%, and United Kingdom, which is 4%. Now we move on to the part you would love to see, which is the revenue. How much did this video generate for me in 4 weeks? So this is how much this video generated for me in 4 weeks. Guys, you can see that from the first day it was published, the video started doing well because in 24 hours, the video made $9.90. The video started gathering momentum from 29th December and never looked back ever. You can see the spike going up and up and up until this place. So let's look at details of how this money was made because it wasn't just generated from ads alone. If you look at it, it says how you make money. Have watch paid ad. You can see how much it generated. We have supers and gift, which is actually people who watched the video, gifted me just to say thank you. I got value from this video and all of that. Some people gave me $5. Some people gave £2. Some people gave $4.99 euros and all of that. And you can see how much it all came to be. Now look at the number of people that gifted me super thanks on this video and look at how much YouTube gave me. $7.13. Now let's talk about CPM and RPM, which is how much advertisers paid per 1,000 views or impression this video generated versus how much YouTube paid me. So the CPM of this video is $14.22 and the RPM is $7.47. I think this CPM and RPM actually is not a constant figure. It actually goes up and down. Interesting thing about this is that this video will continue to generate revenue for me so long as people are watching the video. So if you're a creator or intending creator and you are looking for a reason to get on YouTube, let this be that reason you are looking for because YouTube pays. So if you go on to convert this amount of money in Naira, you know that we are talking about 2 million plus from just one video in a space of 4 weeks. This is the summary of how this video performed in the last 4 weeks. I hope this helps. Again, I shared all of this with you to encourage you as a small creator because I sincerely want as many people as possible to get to that stage you make money from your YouTube channel. YouTube is like an ocean. All of us can succeed. All of us can swim and win. Your success doesn't reduce mine. So if you're still thinking of whether to jump on YouTube or not, I'm encouraging you to jump on YouTube. And if you are a creator, your channel is not doing well yet, don't give up. For some people, it happens overnight. For some people, it takes a little while. For some people, it takes a little longer time to get there. So don't give up. Keep doing your best and keep learning and tweaking. So I made this video here talking about 5 smart ways you can promote your videos to get more views, subscribers, and watch hours. If you haven't watched it, you need to go and watch it right now. The link is contained in the description of this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. I will appreciate that and it will help YouTube to promote this video for many more people to see it. If you have other questions, go to the comment section and drop them and I will be there to answer all your questions. Now, as a small creator, I will encourage you to go to the comment section of this video and connect with other creators who will help you grow your YouTube channel. I hope you got value from this. If you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. I want to be your friend. So connect with me by subscribing to the channel. See you in my next video.